Okay, let us have our second example and our rate problems. So this is the problem number 2. Lidna is driving across the country. For the first 3 hours, she travels 60 miles per hour. 60 mph or 60 miles per hour. For the next 2 hours, she travels 72 miles per hour or 72 mph. Assuming that she has not stopped, what is her average traveling speed in miles per hour? Okay, so to solve this problem, let us do the same as in our example number 1. So as suggested, it's better to tabulate the information that you can get from the problem in order for us to be able to figure out how are we going to solve this problem. So simple table only. You just draw a table that has 3 rows and 4 columns, something like this, and then just write down these 3 important information: distance, then we have the rate or the speed, then we have the time. Okay, so what are the givens? Of course, the person involved in this problem, we have Lidna, and there's no other person involved, so we can write her name twice. Alright, so the givens are: Lidna is driving across the country for the first 3 hours. So 3 hours. Time is 3 hours. She travels 60 mph or miles, 60 miles per hour. So 60 miles per hour. Then for the next 2 hours, so 2 hours, we're given 2 hours. She travels 72 miles per hour. So this is another speed or rate. Now, it says, assuming that she has not stopped, what is her average traveling speed in miles per hour? As you can see here in the table, so we still have vacant slots without information, but with the formula, from the formula that distance equal to rate times time. So we can calculate the distance given the rate and also the time. So for the first 3 hours, so we have distance equal to rate, which is 60 miles, okay, per hour, and times 3 hours. So we can solve for the, okay, so this cancels out, the hours cancels out, remaining miles as the unit. So distance is equal to 180. This is 180 miles or mi, for short. Alright, so that is the distance. For the first 3 hours, the distance covered is 180 miles. Okay, we'll just put mi for the unit. Then for the next 2 hours, so distance again, rate times time, then substituting. So the rate is 72 miles per hour, then multiplied by 2 hours. So again, we have hours at the numerator, hours at the denominator, so that cancels out. So D is equal to 144 miles. Right, so this is the other distance now for the next 2 hours. So 144 miles. So to help us solve this problem, we can present or show some kind of illustration that can help us figure out on how to solve this problem. We are asked to solve for the average, the average traveling speed. So that's our problem to solve. Okay, so let us draw this illustration. Okay, so assuming that is the total distance traveled. Initially, for the first 3 hours, so assuming Lidna started from here. So for the first 3 hours, it travels for the first 3 hours, it travels 180 miles. So 180 miles. And the time here is 3 hours. Okay? Then for the next 2 hours, the distance traveled is 144 miles. Okay, so assuming this is the 144 miles. So the time here is 2 hours. All right. Then if you combine all the time, or the total time from this point up to this point, so we have this total time which is equal to, you just add 3 hours plus 2 hours equal to 5 hours. And you can also add the total distance traveled in 5 hours. So the total distance is the sum of these two distances, 180 plus 144. So that is 324. And the unit is in miles. Okay? So from the formula, so our formula is distance, again, distance equal to rate times time. So we are asked to find the average traveling speed. Average because first 3 hours, so Lidna has or travels 60 miles per hour, and then for the next 2 hours she travels 72 miles per hour. So what is the average? What is the average traveling speed or traveling rate in miles per hour? So from here, from this basic formula, so if you want to solve for the rate, the average rate, we just divide both sides by time. Okay, so R times T, divide this by time. So times at the numerator cancels with the time at the denominator, so leaving only the rate. So D over T. Okay, so substituting the total distance, which is 324 miles, divided by the total time, which is 5 hours, okay, equals R, or the rate. So when you calculate that one, so 324 divided by 5, so we have 64.8. So this is 64.8. So the unit is miles per hour. So that is the rate, or simply R is equal to 64.8. You can write mph, miles per hour. Okay, so it says what is her average traveling speed in miles per hour. So therefore, Lidna's, or her, you can see her, Lidna's average traveling speed or traveling rate is 64.8 miles per hour. Okay, so this is our final answer. So I hope you have followed our discussions, and I hope you understand, no? And I hope that you can solve, if you meet or encounter the same problem, I hope that you will be able to solve it. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.